little ravens, you'll be getting a playmat set with a Play-Doh in this particular party packs. So let's check out. You probably will be getting Christmas series and non-Christmas series for dessert series and some snacks like pizza, French fries, or lollipop, or even others. So in this video, you'll find out how are you going to have fun with your mommy or daddies, right? So first of all, of course, have fun squishing the dough, the Play-Doh that you get. This is a handcrafted Play-Doh made from natural ingredients, so it's toxic free and safe, right? And of course, after you play, do wash your hands still. Let's check out first. Pizza. Let's add some toppings on the pizza so you can use and imagine the colors of the Play-Doh that you get to make some toppings for the pizza. It could be pepperoni, beef or chicken, it could be sausages, it could be cheese, it could be a meatball pieces or vegetables. Make the shapes of leaf from this Play-Doh for cheese probably, or vegetables, or even pepperoni. And see, just imagine. Don't worry about the colors, or maybe the French fries. Well, how are you going to make a French fries out of Play-Doh? Get your mommy's and daddy's help, and just imagine that you are going to make a French fries with any flavor because of the colors, and have fun with that. And again, a lollipop. Who does not love lollipop? Again, using your Play-Doh, you're going to make a shapes round and round and round and make a lollipop on top of this. And for the Christmas series, you probably need to decorate your Christmas ball. And again, you can build a snowman, you can build a gift box, or a simple shapes that you want to fill your Christmas ball this Christmas. And this particular playmat asking you to decorate the box and add a ribbon on it. And again, you can actually, with your dough, make a ribbon out of it. It sounds difficult, but no, it is not. It's all about your creativity, right? You can check out our Facebook page for some sample and have fun squishing and playing with your dough. Merry Christmas, little ravens.